Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the working with numbers and Python. So today we'll be discussing on the type conversion in Python, right? So type conversion in Python refers to changing the data type of a value from one type to another using functions like int, float, and string. So this we have done in the JavaScript and the Java as well. So in the Java, if we want to convert, we were making use of the number and we were passing something, right? In the JavaScript, JavaScript. In the Java, we used to give, suppose if we have given the mod value, right? So we want to convert that one. Suppose we have given the type long and we want to convert that one to the int. We mention the int within the parenthesis, right? So same thing. Similar to the JavaScript and in Java. So in the Python, if we want the type conversion, if you want the type conversion in Python, basically it refers to changing the data type of a value, star this one a hash from one type to another using functions like int, float, and str, right? So I hope this is fine. Let's consider a very simple example. Before getting into the example, I just wanted to tell you this. So this is helpful. Basically, type conversion is helpful when we need to perform operations that require specific type, right? So that require specific type. Suppose, for example, converting user input to the integer before calculations. Converting user input to the integer before calculations. This is one of the simple example, right? I have found. So this is fine, I guess. So now we can just go with a simple example. So let me assign x to 1 to 3. Let me assign x to 1 to 3. Sorry, yeah, this is within the string. So every time I get confused with a semicolon, bro. So I have coded all these days on this thing, JavaScript and Java, where semicolon is needed at any cost, right? So here now we have to convert the string to integer. Now we need to convert the string to integer, right? So I'll just give here int of variable x. Just let's pass the variable x. This is it. This is it. Now let's convert the integer to float. We can convert integer to float as well, right? All we have to do is int int of x, this one. Let's do it y, right? So we are converting from integer to float. Now first we had this one within the strings, you can clearly see here, right? So we have assigned 1 2 3 within the strings for the variable x. Now we are converting that one to the integer. Now we are converting that one to the integer by making use of the int here, right? So here we are converting it to float. So sorry, we are converting it to float, right? So I had to give float, sorry, given int again, sorry. This is fine. Right now, let's do one thing. Let's print the type of x, type of y, and type of z. Right. So we will get the type basically. Right. So or the data type. So here I'll just go with print. So this will be type x, type x. Right. So this is fine. Let me copy the same thing. Uh, my mind urges to give semicolon, man. I don't know why. My mind really urges to give this one semicolon at the end every single line. So this is fine. Next I'll give here y, I'll give here y, and I'll give here z. I'll give here z, right? So output that we need to get here is this one, class str for the first one, because this is in the string. So 1 2 3 is present within the string, right? So now y, we have converted this one to the integer. It has to give class str within the angle brackets. So class int within the angle brackets for this one. And for the third one, this one, line number 10, it has to give class float, class float within the angular brackets, right? Let's check the same thing. I'll just give here Python and the name. Let me copy it from here. Let me copy this one. Let me paste it over here. .py. So here see, we are getting the output. First one is of the type string str. This we are getting correct, and second one is of the type integer. We are getting this one right, nothing but the int. Third one is of the type float, so we are getting float here. Whatever the output that we are getting is completely correct, right? So now we are done with the type conversion part. We are done with the type conversion part, right? So I hope concept of type conversion is completely clear, man. Let me summarize whatever we have learned till now. So here uh, we are making use of, or we can make use of int, float, and string, this one, int, float, and str. This one I'm speaking of, right? So this one, float, int, and also we can make use of the str as well. Str, I have directly given str at first, so I have not made use of the str, right? So we have directly given 1 2 3 within the strings itself. We are not converting anything initially itself, so I have not made use of the term str, right? So we can just make use of the int, float, and str to convert between the types for the correct operations, just keep this in mind, right? So we are done with the type conversion part. Now next we will be discussing about the comparison operator. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.